Some animals are equipped with sharp teeth to tear their prey. The strength of this bite is called psi. The strength of human bites is 160 pounds per square inch, while some animals have bites that are stronger to tens of times that of humans. Not only carnivores that have strong bites, primates and some herbivores also have bites that are no less powerful. Some of the following animals are the strongest bite owners. Here is a list. Lion. Nothing wrong if the lion was dubbed the king of the jungle because of his prowess in hunting prey in the wild. Besides having a large body and thick mane that makes a lion look scary, its bite is also strong with 650 pounds per square inch. With strength like that, the lion can tear its prey easily. Lions hunt their prey in groups. Tiger. The largest cat species in the world turned out to have a bite almost twice as strong as a lion, with bite strength reaching 1,050 pounds per square inch. Unlike lions, tigers prefer to hunt alone in the wild. The color of the mask disguises it with the natural surroundings. Tigers are also great climbers and can swim well. Hyena. Animals that are known to like to steal game other animals have a very strong bite. With a strength of 1,100 pounds per square inch makes hyenas easily tear the flesh of their prey. These animals prefer to hunt at night and are known to be brave against cheetahs and lions in the race for food. Grizzly bears. Grizzly bears are commonly found in North America. This animal has a distinctive brown fur and also a large body that makes anyone scared when they see it. Even more frightening, grizzly has the power of a 1,200 pounds per square inch bite that will tear off the flesh of its prey. Even though large grizzly bears are also fast runners and good at swimming. Gorilla. Gorilla is known as the largest primate in the world. Animals that are found are also famous for being intelligent. What is not widely known is that these animal bites are very strong and even exceed some carnivorous species such as swan and tiger. Gorilla uses the power of its bite to bite the bark and roots of plants. Jaguar. The cat with the strongest bite is the jaguar. With a force of 2,000 pounds per square inch, bite is stronger than a lion and a tiger. Jaguar is an animal that hunts alone in the wild. These animals with spotted skin even eat turtles and caimans as their prey. Unlike other cats that target the neck of their prey, the jaguars target their prey's head, for which it has a strong bite. Hippopotamus. Hippos are mammals with the strongest bite because their bite reaches 1,825 pounds per square inch. The big mouth of a hippo contains incisors and fangs of 4.3 meters and 5.5 meters. These large teeth are used to fight and protect from opponents. This animal has a stocky physique and weighs up to 1,800 kilograms. Despite its short legs, Hippos can run at speeds of 30.6 km/h. Hippos are very aggressive and unpredictable. Without being provoked, he could suddenly attack. That's why hippos are one of the most dangerous animals in Africa. American crocodile. With a length of 34 meters and a weight of 454 kilograms, the American crocodile is the largest reptile in America. Not only size, the bite was so amazing because it could reach 2,125 pounds per square inch. With a very strong jaw, American crocodiles can tear their prey into pieces. American crocodile itself has 75-84 teeth. Even if the teeth are damaged, it will easily grow new. In fact, an American crocodile can have 2,000 to 3,000 teeth during his lifetime. Although the jaw is strong, the muscles to open the jaw are very weak. Even the strength of your hand is enough to silence their mouths. Crocodile estuary. Reporting from National Geographic, estuarine crocodiles have a bite force reaching 3,960 pounds per square inch. Estuary mouth itself consists of 46 too large teeth. Like American crocodiles, estuarine crocodiles have the muscle power to open very weak jaws. Estuarine crocodiles themselves are the largest reptiles in the world. His body size reaches 6 meters and weighs 998 kilograms. This crocodile food is fish, birds, crabs, turtles, monkeys and buffalo. The habitat itself is in Indonesia and the surrounding countries. Nile crocodile. Nile crocodiles are living things with the strongest bite in the world. Its long, strong jaws are suitable for crushing its prey. Its sharp, strong teeth make it impossible for prey to escape. Nile crocodile itself is the second largest crocodile in the world. They live in African swamps. Tilapia has a size of 6 meters and weighs 748 kilograms. They are predators that usually prey on fish, birds, zebras and antelope.